Imagine arriving at work and discovering your project plan, meeting prep, and task priorities were completed overnight.
That's the promise of Gemini Spark, an AI agent that keeps working after you stop working.
For professionals, this could be the biggest shift from chatbots to true digital assistants. Today's AI tools answer questions. Gemini Spark is designed to pursue goals. That's a fundamental difference. Google says Spark runs continuously on dedicated virtual machines in Google Cloud, independent of your laptop or phone.
Think of it as a digital employee. You assign objectives, it handles the coordination work. Let's say you're launching a new product next quarter. Normally, that means hours of planning.
With Spark, you could simply say, organize the launch, create milestones, build checklists, and align schedules. The agent creates timelines, identifies dependencies, schedules meetings, and prepares documentation.
Now, compare that to the traditional process.
This becomes even more powerful when combined with Gemini 3.5 Flash. Google's new infrastructure dramatically reduces response times across its products. Fast responses matter because autonomous agents constantly evaluate information and adjust plans. Another major productivity feature is Docs Live. Imagine saying, summarize today's meetings, create a client report, and draft a follow-up email. Instead of producing one answer, the system executes an entire workflow. For most professionals, the biggest productivity problem isn't writing, it's coordination. Scheduling meetings, tracking deliverables, organizing files, and preparing updates consume hours every week. Spark targets exactly those repetitive activities. The same shift is happening inside Google's search engine. Search is evolving from finding information to helping complete tasks. Ask how a black hole works, and Google can generate an interactive model instead of just listing websites. Now apply that concept to business research, competitive analysis, or market planning. The pattern is clear. AI is moving beyond answers and toward execution. Professionals will increasingly assign objectives instead of manually completing every step. That creates a potential productivity multiplier for people who learn to manage AI agents effectively. Of course, human oversight remains essential. Important decisions still require judgment. But routine execution, planning, and coordination are increasingly becoming automated. The real story isn't that Gemini Spark is a better chatbot. The real story is that it keeps working when you aren't. For the first time, AI may function less like software and more like a permanent team member. If Google's vision succeeds, the professionals who benefit most won't be the ones using AI occasionally. They'll be the ones building workflows that run continuously in the background. Gemini Spark represents a future where productivity isn't limited by your working hours. Your digital teammate keeps moving projects forward, organizing information, and handling routine execution 24 hours a day. That's why this announcement could become one of the most important workplace technology shifts of the decade. Have you tried any of these tools or tricks? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.